Hello everyone, good morning to all. Students, are you happy with family? Yes. On you are doing work at home very well. Students, today we are starting a new chapter. Today we will start a new chapter. Now, what is the new chapter? Largest and longest quiz. Largest and longest quiz. Now, in this chapter, we will tell about largest and longest. Now, first thing, I have two pencils. I have two pencils, but one is big and one is small. Same like that, you will see in this chapter so many things. Now, I have taken two pencils, small pencil and big pencil. Then same that in this chapter we will show so many things, all not things and places, so many places. Now let's start. We will check the point. Now see here. Now chapter name largest and longest quiz. Here is an interesting quiz on the longest and the largest in India. Choose the correct answer with the help of the corner. This is the help corner. Ganga, Gujarat, Thar, Marina, Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Rajasthan, Mumbai, Jama Masjid, Gorakhpur and Sea Cathedral. Now we will check the point. What is the largest and what is the longest in India? We know about India in this chapter. Now first point is here. Which is the largest state in India? Largest state. It means सबसे बड़ा राज्य कौन सा है? So what is the answer? Rajasthan. It is the largest state of India. Now second point. Which is the longest river that flows through India? इंडिया में सबसे लंबी नदी कौन सी है? Answer गंगा. Ganga is the longest river. Next point. Which is the largest mosque in India? Largest mosque in India. सबसे बड़ा मस्जिद कौन सा है? Answer Jama Masjid. Next question. Which is the largest beach in India? Largest beach. जो समुद्र के किनारे का जो एरिया होता है उसे हम बीच बोलते हैं. तो वो सबसे बड़ा बीच कौन सा है? Marina Beach. What is the answer? Marina Beach. Which is the largest temple in India? Largest temple. सबसे बड़ा मंदिर कौन सा है? इसकी लंबाई चौड़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा क्षेत्र में फैली हुई है. तो श्री रंगनाथ स्वामी टेम्पल. श्री रंगनाथ स्वामी टेम्पल. Which is the largest city in India? Which is the largest city in India? It means सबसे बड़ा. Largest पे बहुत बड़ा क्षेत्र में फैला. It means Mumbai, big largest city in India. Which is the largest desert in India? Largest desert. Desert मतलब राजस्थान रेगिस्तान जहाँ पर सिर्फ रेत ही रेत मिलती हो, डेजर्ट मिलता हो. This area is the Thar. It is in Rajasthan. Which state has the largest coastline? It means Gujarat. Next point. Which is the largest church in India? Largest church. सबसे बड़ा चर्च कौन सा हमारे इंडिया में? तो Sea Cathedral. Sea Cathedral. ये सबसे बड़ा क्या हमारा चर्च है. And next point is here. Which is the longest railway station in India? सबसे लंबा railway station Gorakhpur. What is the answer? Gorakhpur. Longest railway station Gorakhpur. One more time. Largest state Rajasthan. Longest river Ganga. Largest mosque Jama Masjid. Largest beach Marina Beach. Largest temple Sri Ranganath Swami Temple. Largest city Mumbai. Largest desert Thar. And largest coastline Gujarat. Largest church Sea Cathedral. And longest railway station Gorakhpur. These are main point of the chapter. Now students, some points are downside, you can read on self. Now this chapter has finished here. Now students, you will write in the notebook same points and learn it. Have a nice day. Good day.